to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. Nestled in central Alberta, Chipman is a village that embodies the warmth and spirit of rural Canada. Located approximately 70 kilometers east of Edmonton along Highway 15, this close-knit community offers a peaceful retreat from city life. Chipman was incorporated as a village on October 21, 1913, and named after Clarence Campbell Chipman, a railroad official. In its early days, the village quickly became a hub of activity, with businesses springing up to serve the growing population. The first hotel, built in 1905 by Sam Calvert, was a 3-story structure that stood near the site of the present-day hotel. Soon after, businesses like Gordon and Gordon's General Store, Henry Betton's Butcher Shop, and A.E. Halberg's Blacksmith Shop became staples of village life. Electricity came to Chipman in the mid-1920s thanks to a local entrepreneur, William Elniski, who operated a diesel-powered Delco plant. Power was only available from dusk until midnight, and just before shutting down for the night, Mr. Elniski would flick the lights as a warning. The lights pulsed with each throb of the motor, a far cry from the stable electricity we take for granted today. By 1928, Chipman secured continuous electrical service through Calgary Power Limited, making a significant step forward in the community. Like many small towns, Chipman faced challenges over the years. In 1931, a fire broke out in Kuzik's store, devastating much of Main Street, including a garage, hardware store, and butcher shop. The Great Depression followed, bringing hardship to local farmers and businesses, but Chipman endured, thanks to the resilience of its people. One of the most tragic events in the village's history occurred on November 29, 1960. A school bus carrying students from Chipman to Lamont was struck by a Canadian National Railway freight train at an unsignaled crossing. 17 young lives were lost that day, leaving a lasting mark on the community. Today, Chipman is a small but proud village with deep historical roots. The community continues to celebrate its heritage through events like the annual Show and Shine car show and landmarks such as the Nativity of the Mother of God, Ukrainian Catholic Church, standing as reminders of its rich history. So whether you're passing through or planning a longer stay, Chipman offers a welcoming atmosphere and a glimpse into Alberta's pioneering past. All that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video if you did. Feel free to share it with friends or family members who you think may enjoy this video. And remember, you can find Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. But until next week, bye-bye.